Happy Christmas everyone from me, Mr Etherton, and Asher my dog. But where's Mr Badger? Where's Mr Badger, Asher? I can't see him anywhere. Now I did hear some rustling in the trees. Let's see if I can find him. Can I see him? Oh, Mr Badger, you're not meant to be the fairy at the top of the Christmas tree. Come down. Oh, Mr Badger thinks he's the fairy at the top of the Christmas tree. But down here, we've got some presents, Mr Badger. Let's have a look, shall we? Come out of the way, doggy. Now, here's a present. Oh, I've got a present from Mr Badger. Oh, thank you, Mr Badger. What is it? Let's have, oh, it's a bottle of something. I wonder what it is. Oh, look at that. It's chocolate sauce. I think Ash and my dog want some too. Oh, thank you, Mr Badger. That's really yummy, yummy. Oh, what else have I got here? Oh, what's in this one? Ash is very interested in it. Let's see what I've got in this one. Oh, what's this? Oh, look, I've got some badger socks. Look at that. I've got some badger socks. So if you see me in school, see if I'm wearing my Mr Badger socks. That's fantastic, isn't it? Oh, and got one more present here to open. And Badger, I think this one's for you. Should we see what's inside, shall we? Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, Asher's keen to see inside. Oh, look, it's Betty. It's Miss Badger. Look at that. Isn't she lovely? Look, Mr Badger, a friend for you to play with and go on adventures together. Is that nice, Asher? Is that nice? Yeah, Asher likes it. Isn't that lovely? And let's see what this message says that I think some children from my school put together. Oh, let's have a look, shall we? It's carefully written up. And what does it know? It says this. Dear Mr. Badger, we know that you live very happily
with Mr. Etherton and his family, but thought that you might like to meet a new friend.
Friendship is very important to us because it is one of our Christian values, and it is always good to make a new friend.
We have been hunting high and low for someone who is kind, caring and clever, and managed to find her where Mrs. Bishop was out and about walking on the South Downs.
So you walking on the South Downs, were you? Oh, that's fantastic.
As it is Christmas time, we thought it might be a good time to introduce you.
Unfortunately, there are no rules against animals meeting other animals at the moment, even if it is more difficult for humans. We hope that you will make her welcome and you will both have a wonderful Christmas. From the Dream Team.
Love from the Dream Team from St Nicholas and St Mary's School. That's fantastic, isn't it? So here we are. Now we've got two badgers to go on adventures together. Have a lovely Christmas.
I think Mr Badger and Miss Badger will get on really well. Don't you think so? Yeah. Lots of fun and adventures together. Ash and my dog wanted some roast turkey. No, Asher, you can't have any. Oh, Mr Badger and Miss Badger hiding in the Christmas tree. What are you up to, you two? Have a nice Christmas. Here's my dog Asher. She's trying to open one of her Christmas presents. I wonder what's inside. She can obviously smell something yummy yummy. What do you think? Yay! It's a stocking full of yummy dog treats and dog biscuits. That's it, Asher. Have a lie down and crunch on your biscuit.
Well, next to my Christmas tree, I've got a nativity scene. And in the middle here, you can see baby Jesus. And next to baby Jesus, we've got Mary, the mother of baby Jesus. And we've got Joseph as well. And on the left here, you can see that there's some shepherds and one of the sheep. and they've gone into the stable because there was no room in the inn. And here we've got a camel, and we've got some wise men who are following the star to see the newborn king. So my big question is, were there any badgers in the stable? No, of course not. Do you know that song? Little donkey, little donkey. Because Mary and Joseph came to the stable on a donkey. But they didn't sing, little badger, little badger. So were there any badgers in the stable? No, of course there weren't any badgers in the stable. And what about Miss Badger? Should we put her in the stable? There was lots of animals that might have been in the stable. I don't think there are any badgers. But at Christmas time, we like to have fun with lots of things, don't we? Should we have some snowmen? Let's add some snowmen to go and see baby Jesus, shall we? Let's have a snowman there, and we'll have a snowman there as well. And of course, we've got to have Father Christmas, haven't we? That's fun to think about Father Christmas at Christmas time. Oh, I've got another snowman here. Let's add him to the Christmas scene. Look at that. A snowman as well. Oh, it fell over. A snowman as well. And let's have some presents. Yeah. And I love Lego. And look, I've made a Lego Christmas tree. So let's put that there as well. And it's great to have Christmas jumpers on, isn't it? And this teddy bear is wearing a Christmas jumper. Let's add him there in front of Miss Badger. And we like to go skiing and think about ice and things. So let's add a penguin to the Christmas scene. And we don't want horrible mucky old straw. Let's just put some lovely tinsel over everything like that. And let's put loads of snow and tinsel round the back like that. And of course, we need a stocking for all of our presents as well. And do you know what? Sometimes our Christmas can look a bit like this. Lots of tinsels and lights and trees. And oh no, we've forgotten something. We can't see baby Jesus anymore. Let's move all the things to one side and let's remember that the reason for the season is baby Jesus. A baby born in a manger, in a feeding trough, with smelly animals. Maybe not badgers, but lots of smelly animals, because there's no room in the inn. And it's really important at Christmas time that we think about Jesus. Of course we can have fun with Father Christmas and tinsel and Lego Christmas trees and snowmen, and I do hope it snows, and presents and Christmas jumpers and penguins, and we think about more snowmen, and we think about Miss Badger and Mr Badger and lots of tinsel and shiny things. But most of all, let's remember the original Christmas scene, a stable in Bethlehem, where baby Jesus was born. And the reason he came to earth was to do with the Easter story, where once he was a man, he died and then rose again, so that we might have friendship with God. The shepherds, they came to baby Jesus and brought the gift of a lamb to baby Jesus. Innkeeper offered a space for them to stay. The wise men brought gifts of gold, frankincense and myrrh. What can we give to the Lord? Well, we can give him our worship, our singing and playing, like my two children are now, on the piano and violin. We can give our praise to him. We can give him our heart in our thoughts and prayers. Stable, there would have been a star shining like this lamppost in the night sky. Have you seen Mr Badger and Miss Badger? I know they've gone to look for some Christmas lights, but
haven't found them yet. Can you see them anywhere? Asher and I are going for a little midnight walk to see some Christmas lights. I love this squiggly pattern on hedge. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? Where's Mr Badger and his friend Miss Badger? Where are they gone? Some candy canes and a reindeer. And I love these lights on this fence. But these lovely lights dancing on somebody's driveway. It's brilliant. Can you see the unicorn? I can see it. It's really fun walking past people's houses and seeing all the lovely lights they've got on. It's great. But where are those badgers? What are they up to? It's lovely, isn't it? Great. There's a big snowman in this garden. Love it. Blowing around in the wind. It's lovely. Now, I came especially to this house because they have amazing lights, but they're not turned on. There's no point having lights without electricity, in the same way there's no point having Christmas without Christ. It's so much better when you have electricity fizzing through. There's a nice round bush with red berries on it. Hey? Oh, and hang on. Oh, Mr Badger and Miss Badger, what are you doing in that bush? Hey? Enjoying looking at the lights? Yeah, of course you are. So don't forget this Christmas. Actually, Christmas is all about Christ. Christ, the newborn King.